Hello, I'm going to clarify a small design problem that you may find when you want to embed a YouTube video in your WordPress posts. It's very easy to embed a video or YouTube link in a post in WordPress, but by default, when we embed the YouTube video, it's on the left margin. Let's see. We copy and paste our YouTube link and preview in this desktop. And as you can see, the video is on the left margin, but there is an option to center the video, but I'm afraid that it doesn't work. Here we can't center the video. Preview again. And it's the same. The video is on the left margin. I don't know if it's a WordPress bug or I don't know what to say. But the reality is that the result when we embed the YouTube video doesn't look good. So if you want to center the video, we can do it in two ways. We are going to remove this block. Fine, we are going to write a word, for example, hello, and we center the text, and here next to the word hello, we are going to paste the YouTube link and remove the word hello. Let's see how is the result. And we can see that the video has been centered. And the second option is to create the Gutenberg blog in WordPress in columns. We're going to remove this one. We're going to add columns. We choose this one. And here we are going to embed the YouTube video. And the YouTube video is in the center, so it's okay. I think the best option is the first one, because you save code from the columns you have created. The cleaner the code is, the faster the page will load. So I hope I have helped you with this small problem, but it helps a lot to have a good design in the post, and that there are more chances for the visitors to click on the YouTube video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and see you next time.